I have a 2008 Lexus RX, and the rear power door for my trunk wasn't working anymore. The interior button didn't do anything, the power door button on my key fob didn't work either, and even the buttons on the trunk itself didn't trigger the power door to open or close. After doing some light reading, I found out that in the glove box there's a semi-hidden switch that cuts off the power to the rear door, which must have been toggled accidentally at some point. This should exist in Lexus RX models from 2004 to 2009. Drop a comment to let the people know if this is found in other years as well. I pressed the button back in and tested the power door switch again, and voila! The power door worked once again from the inside switch, from my key fob, and the buttons on the door itself. Like this video if it helped you out, subscribe for more DIY content, and I hope you have a great day.